Welcome back to another edition of SoCal Scents. I'm Jeff.
I'm Chelsea.
And today we're going to be doing a mini video. It's going to be real quick reactions on opening and the dry down.
Awesome.
And then we'll find what you like.
Let's do it.
Let everyone know how you feel about this one.
Okay. Let's see. Okay. Off the bat, I don't know if it's my favorite one, but definitely an orangey flavor with this one. But it feels like outdoorsy and like an outdoor party or I don't know, a festival, something fun to go to. It's different, it's unique. It just definitely has orange undertones.
Yeah.
And as it's settling in, I like it a little bit more. So I'm gonna go 7.5 with this
7.5.
Yeah.
But you're already liking it more, so
yeah,
on the dry down it could be better, worse, or the same.
It could be.
Awesome.
There's options.
This is Male Pride Edition 2022.
Yeah.
Better, worse, or the same?
Ooh, I think a little better. It's still definitely orangey, like definitely like an orange fizz to me.
Yeah.
Like, I'm gonna go like a quarter better.
Quarter better?
Yeah.
Okay. But you dig it?
Yeah, it's great.
Isn't it fun?
It is a fun scent.
Yeah. This is
a bright, yeah, it's nice.
Yeah, it's playful, it's fun.
Different too. So I feel like it's not something you wouldn't smell like somebody else, which is kind of nice.
It would not smell like anybody else.
It's great. Or maybe we'll give it a 0.5 then.
0.5 up?
Yeah.
This is Pride 2022, and you dig this one.
I do.
I do as well.
Yeah.
Whoa, really different from everything else.
Agreed completely.
Completely. It's super fruity, and I'm getting multi-complex of different fruits. Citrusy, but then it's sweet. This is definitely summer. It's changing, so I'm excited to reevaluate this. This is fun. This is almost like sparkly. Like this is like almost like a summer day party scent, I feel. Like this is young as well. Very fruity. It's getting very fruity. But I dig it.
Yeah, it uses orange and orange blossom.
Okay.
And to me it has kind of a soapy undertone to it too, a little clean freshness to it.
That's where it's going.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I do think it can be worn in a little bit more occasions, but it is very summery and fun.
Yeah, what is
and
it?
Different. So this is Jean-Paul Gaultier Male Pride Edition 2022.
Oh, how fun. How badass. That'd be perfect at all the festivals.
Last but not least, we have Pride Edition 2022.
I like this more now. It the initial like citrusy scent settled into it itself, and this is just so fun. This is sexy. This is a really great guy. It's fun.
I think it's a lot of fun.
Yeah.
Too.